Hello everyone. We are discussing the VARC part of slot 2 of CAT 2020 and we are discussing the parajumble questions. So let's see question number 19. The four sentences labeled 1, 2, 3, 4 below when properly sequenced would yield a coherent paragraph. Decide on the proper sequencing of the order of sentences and key in the sequence of the four numbers as your answer. So this is a parajumble question, and when we go by the difficulty level of the question, it's fairly easy to solve. So first thing that we need to do is we need to establish the opening sentence of this parajumble or this paragraph. So let's check all the sentences one by one. First sentence says, but the attention of the layman, not surprisingly, has been captured by the atom bomb. Although there is at least a chance that it may never be used again. So when we see this sentence, then we know that there is a transition word here at the beginning of the sentence and it should present a contrast. So ideally this cannot be your opening sentence. Let's check the second one. Of all the changes introduced by man into the household of nature, control large scale nuclear fission is undoubtedly the most dangerous and most profound. So this is a general statement and there are no connectors, there are no transition words, so there is nothing that sounds abrupt. So let's keep it aside as the opening sentence, possible opening sentence of the passage till we check the other two left. So third one is, the danger to humanity created by the so-called peaceful uses of atomic energy may, and then we spot a connector here, however, be much greater. So when we have this however here, we know that this should be presenting a contradiction with something else that has been said before. So this cannot be your opening sentence. Let's check fourth one. The resultant ionizing radiation has become the most serious agent. So there has to be something that precedes this, which talks about a process, and then there is the resultant ionizing radiation. So even fourth cannot be your opening sentence. We found second statement to be a very general one, and that is something that can present the theme of the passage. So second is your opening sentence. From second, let's see how the parajumble can progress. Let's read second one again. Of all the changes introduced by man into the household of nature, controlled large-scale nuclear fission is undoubtedly the most dangerous and most profound. So after second, we can go to one, right? And we can go to fourth one. We cannot go to third one because we've not introduced any so-called peaceful uses of atomic energy, however be much greater, right? So let's keep third one aside. Let's try using first one. But the attention of the layman, not surprisingly, has been captured by the atom bomb. So there is a transition here. As soon as we introduce a transition and a change of theme, right, then there has to be a new idea, and that's why if we jump from second to one, then we cannot possibly integrate the fourth statement later, okay, because the fourth statement has the pointer, the resultant ionizing radiation has become. So the resultant ionizing radiation, this should be an outcome of these changes that had been introduced by man into household of nature in the form of large scale nuclear fission. So when there is large scale nuclear fission, there is a resultant ionizing radiation, and this has become a threat to man's survival. So 2 and 4 are aligned ideas. If neglecting 4 or leaving 4 out, we jump directly to 1, then what will happen is fourth will remain hanging because we cannot come back to 4. 2 and 4 is a link for us because this is one idea. It together, both the statements give you an idea that this nuclear fission, this is something that is a serious agent of pollution, and it has become a great threat to man's survival. And then the contrast comes, and then the contradiction comes. So ideally, we should be worried about this peaceful use of atomic energy. When we scan the passage, we know that this is the peaceful use of atomic energy. We should be worried about this, but then we are hung up on atom bomb. As laymen, we are more worried about the atom bomb, okay? That's why this transition word but. So this is the contradiction. So 2, after 2 and 4, we have to put 1. This changes the idea, this transitions the idea, and And the last opinion that the author has here in this statement is, although there is at least a chance that it may never be used again. So we shouldn't be very worried about atom bomb. And then we have the third one, the danger to humanity created by the so-called peaceful uses. Do you get it? What are the so-called peaceful uses of atomic energy? The ones that we have mentioned in second and fourth together, right? And that's why the however here, we shouldn't be worried about the atom bomb because it may not happen again, but the danger to humanity created by the so-called peaceful uses of atomic energy can be much greater, and that's why this however is justified. All right, so that's why this however statement cannot be placed after 2 and 4. This however is something that brings you another contrast after first one. That's why it has to be placed in the end. Okay, so your answer for this para jumble will be from 2 we will go to 4. 2 4 is a link, then we go to 1 which introduces a change of idea, and then we go to 3 which introduces another contrast from 1. So your final answer for this question will be 2 4 1 3.